So here's a funny story on my fireplace. I hate the fact that this is cloudy, and I have tried looking up the manual, can't find the manual, can't figure out how to get the glass cleaned. I know I can, but I can't figure it out. So the guy was here for the air conditioner. He was walking around my house and he said, look at the floor, you can see footprints and you can see handprints and all this from the heat. And he shined it on this and he said, your fireplace is 120 degrees in August. I said, well, I know, we can't figure out how to turn off the pilot light. He said, oh, I can show you. So he showed us how to turn off the pilot light down there. But then I said, you wouldn't happen to know how to get this glass out so I can clean all this, would you? He said, oh yeah, it's super easy. So there's just 2 clips down there. See that silver clip right there? And there's one over there. And apparently this just lifts out. So I am going to clean this awful dusty gas fireplace, and then I will be a happy camper again. Hey, Mike. I can't remember how this went together. Oops. Mistakes were made. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video and see if I can figure it out. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. I don't think that is right. Oops. All right, thanks to the most wonderful youngest son ever. Thank you, my son. We got it back assembled a half an hour later. We got it back assembled. Oh my goodness. Mental note. Take a picture. Okay, so just so you can see here why... Tara, why are you doing all this? Because look at how cloudy that is. Ugh, this is awful. Okay, so now I'm going to finish cleaning this, and then I'm going to clean this. Jack?
Yes?
Could you go bring me a razor blade, please? So apparently this is like a super expensive fireplace. It was like $6,000 or something.
What?
This fireplace.
Wow. Well, I guess we come to the house.
Okay, so now I can't get the glass back on. I don't think the glass should be sticking out this far from the side, do you?
Did you put the clamps on?
Well, I can't get it flat to lay the clamps on.
Oh.
There. Ooh. Did something, but I don't know what I did.
Sometimes you have to line it up just right.
Okay. Then how do I do the clamps? Oh, there. Okay, Jack. I need you.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, that looks so much better.
Oh, wow, yeah, it does. This is not. Oh, it's hitting on that.
There, you got it. Okay, now. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Jack, I've got a twitch. I can't stop the twitch. Oh, thanks.
Do you need to test it?
Let's not, shall we? Let's just wait till fall. Or officially arrives. Yes, I'm sure I don't want to test it. Because if it's gonna blow up, at least let me just enjoy the cleanliness for a few weeks.
It probably won't blow up.
So, remember, Dad, if I die, there's instructions on how to start again. Because I'm sure at my death, that's going to be at the top of your list of things to remember, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Mom, we're gonna kick it in the hospital. I'm gonna be like,
How do I put the fireplace
I
back?
forgot. How do we ignite the pilot light in the fireplace?
Okay, can we turn that around?
Oh, I should have asked her before she perished.
She's gone and I can't ask her how to turn on the fireplace. Okay.
So I think. Just wait. I think this has to line up on this, so we just open forward. Doesn't sound good.
So,
I don't think that's quite right.
you don't? Why?
I think it needs to push in further. It's not quite flush. Maybe you need to move it more to my side. Oh, perfect. There we go. I think that's good.
Okay, now it is all shiny. Oh my goodness. Oh dear, do I just let it go? The logs aren't even. The logs aren't even. Have they always not been even?
I don't think they've ever been even.
There's a big hole over here, and they're all shoved over to this side. Well, I guess we just let it go.
I don't know if they have that even. Maybe. Actually, yeah, you're right. That looks really funky.
Oh, man. Seriously. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me go back to the video and see if they were uneven to start with.
This in there. Isn't that just beautiful?
No.
Zero problems at all?
It's lopsided. I can't handle
great.
things being lopsided in my life. My whole life is lopsided. So I can't have my fireplace lopsided.